Connecting into the breath, taking a few nice, deep, low belly inhales and exhales. Starting to ground in and through the body, growing a nice big tree root down through the root chakra into the ground. And we always ask permission of Mama Earth to send our rootlets into the ground. She always says yes, as long as the intention is loving and kind. Before we do any type of auric balancing or clearing, we always want to get nice and rooted and grounded in the lower energy parts of the body, especially at our root chakra. So feeling those tree roots going as far down and as wide out as they need to go to get really strong and rooted. When that feels complete to you, I'm going to have you bring the awareness up into your heart center. Taking a moment for the heart chakra to get really open and wide. You might bring your shoulders down away from your ears, shoulder blades closer together on the back, getting a nice gentle tilt up in the chin. So we have a full flow of energy moving from the crown straight down through the root, which is going to allow all 7 chakras to be more balanced and also allow us to be in a more open place physically so that we can clear any unwanted energies out of our auric field and also out of any of the 7 chakras, as well as the meridian lines and physical parts of our body. So with a nice grounded root and an open heart, I'm going to have you envision a big industrial strength magnet sitting about 2 feet above the top of the head. And there's a little on switch over to the right side of this magnet. And when you push it to on, we set the intention that this magnet just clears anything out of the auric field or your physical, emotional, energetic, mental spaces that is no longer serving your highest and best good. So setting that intention, flipping that switch to on, beginning to feel that magnet getting really nice and strong. And you're going to take that magnet and just move it all around the body. So perhaps you move it down the front of the body and then up around the back of the body. Maybe you go on the left side of the body and then on the right. And as you move this magnet around, you feel it sucking unwanted energies out of your space effortlessly. And you can watch as they start to cling to this magnet, sort of if you were bringing a magnet along a bunch of little pieces of lead, how you'd start to notice that magnet pulling up on all those pieces of metal until it's really full with all of these energies. So as you move this magnet all around your energetic field, noticing how unwanted, heavy, stuck energies simply cling to the magnet, they are released effortlessly from your field. And if you have certain areas where there is tension or pain or strain in the physical body, you can take that magnet and sort of rotate or oscillate it, make circular movements around that area, letting the magnet just pull all of those energies deep from within, pulling that pain out of your body. Pain indeed is trapped energy. You can also put the magnet directly on a part of the body, so it physically touches the body. That allows the magnet to pull energy out from deeper within your physical system. And of course, you can place it right over particular chakras that you feel might be blocked or stagnant. Noticing as that magnet just effortlessly pulls the energy out and away. So continuing to move this magnet all around the body, noticing it getting really thick and full with all of those energies. And when that is complete, you're going to send that magnet far away from your body and a little bit up. You're going to turn the magnet off. And then you're going to send the magnet up into the ethers, carrying all that energy away from your system. And I like to set this intention that it goes up into the ethers with a message about the lessons that we may be learning for our higher self to understand about these energies that are being carried away. And then going ahead and bringing a nice gentle showering of white light energy all around the body to just cleanse and clear any final bits of energy away. And if you'd like, you can put a white light shield up all around, just to help to keep yourself nice and shielded from any of these energies returning. And whenever you are ready, you'll take a few nice deep inhales and exhales, blinking the eyes open, ready to move through the rest of your day.